Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the 2017 Sea Ray 250 SLX. This boat has just about every single goodie and option that you could have on this model. We're going to go through a few of them. Why don't we go ahead and step aboard? As you can see by the platform on this boat, full beam. What you can't see is by the push of a button, an automatic swim platform comes out under the water for ease of getting in and off the sandbar. Rear facing speakers, great lounge area back here with of course storage underneath. And what would this model be without an insulated cooler just by the transom? Freshwater washdown, also a stereo remote, making it very easy to access the music while just on the water. And a beautiful walk-through transom here without the need to get people on and off and seating. As you step aboard, notice the flooring. This was done custom. This is the Sea Deck teak material, foam material, very, very comfortable to the feet. And unlike carpet, very, very easy to clean and is static throughout the boat. Makes it look beautiful. This hardtop turn the boat on now. This hardtop here is actually controlled by the transom, and with a push of a button you can get in, under a bridge, and really get that protection that you want. Let's take a look how this is done. Just beautiful. Under a lift, going under a bridge, just that protection from the elements. There's no better platform than what you see right here. As you can hear, the boat is now running. This is powered by the biggest horsepower rating this boat can have, which is an 8.2 liter big block, 430 horsepower with twin props. So this boat is really going to push. It's going to go fast. The boat was designed for luxury. It's also designed for speed. The SLX series is unlike no other in the Sea Ray lineup. It is built for luxury. Everything is nice and vinyl wrapped. Everything has a nice contour to it. You look at the stitching in the boat, the piping in the boat. Everything is really, really well done by Sea Ray. Just look at the helm. From an owner-operator standpoint, there's nothing simpler than what you see here. Digital dash, flush screen display, very automotive in design, but again, everything is nice and vinyl wrapped, triple threaded stitching. The toggle push buttons here, none of those chintzy switches, and the Sea Ray dynamic running surface right over here, keeping the boat level at all times underway. 5-position tilt helm, very comfortable captain's chair for a day on the water. Trimming out the boat, this is the seamless windshield. So no obstruction on the helm here, very easy, and of course trimmed out with the stainless steel top rail. Head compartment to the port side of the boat. Again, this has all the options and extras, including the vacuum flush system, very well trimmed out. So we'll take a step to the back. Again, designed for luxury, but also designed for comfort. So sitting up here in the boat, you have comfortably 3 or 4 people. Beautiful under seat LED lighting, under gunnel lighting, and stereos everywhere. This boat has the premium stereo system. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 2017 250 SLX. Come check us out at www.marinemax.com.